Hi everyone, welcome back to Shin Tech Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to show you how to keep YouTube playing while using other apps on your phone. This is perfect for listening to music, podcasts, or long videos without staying inside the app. If this video is helpful, let us know in the comments. Leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. Once you are inside the app, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap on the gear icon in the top corner to open the settings menu. Scroll down until you find Video and Audio Preferences, then tap on Playback. Here, you will see the option called Picture-in-Picture. If it is disabled, simply tap the switch to turn it on. After enabling this feature, YouTube will keep playing in a small floating window, even when you leave the app. Now, let's test it. Open any video on YouTube, then press the home button or swipe out of the app. As you can see, the mini player stays on your screen while you open Instagram, browse the internet, or use any other app. You can also resize the floating window with your fingers and move it anywhere on the screen. And that's it. Now you know how to play YouTube in the background on your phone.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Shin Tech Tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!